welcome guys. How you doing? Yeah. So this is just to show you you guys are in church, you're a team. So this is not just for you, the pianist. Now this is for like the team. So you want to do something like this, like you just heard. So then you are like, okay, what can we do? What can we do? What can we do? I mean, what can we do? So you can just do very simple stuff. I was in the key of F. So while the drums were in, so I was in 6, 5, 1, 4. So 6, 5, 1, 4. Then I'll do 7, 3, 6, 5, 1, 4. So that's it. So your 6 is, so your 6 on the left. Your on your left you have a 6. So on your right you have a 5. I'm calling the number so that I can take this to any key. 5, 7, 1, 3. So 5. Then we have sorry, that's a 6 chord. 6 on this chord. Then 5. We have a 5 on left. You have your 4, 6, flattened 7th, and then 9. So and then to your 1. So just take the 4 to 3 for your 1. Then you go to 4. Then you can do any form of 3, 7, 3, 6 you like. You can do her. So look at this. I've showed all these chords on the channel. So let me just show you this one. I have on my left I have a 7 and then minor third. On the right I have a 6 major. Your 6 major. So then on 3 I have 3 on the left. On right I have a flattened 7th. So you have your flattened 7th, your 9, and then your 11. So then to your 6. So while it's in so you can hear that sound. Yeah. Ba, 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 ba. So you can now do 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. But don't forget, it's the same principle, like from simple to complex. Let me show you one more 7, 3, 6 before we start. We're going to do this again. So you can do this also. So your 7, you have your minor third, you have your flattened 5, minor 5, flattened 5, right? You have your 6, and then you have your 2, right? So your 3, and then this is diminished chord. You have a 3. On left you have 3. On right you have a 2, 4. Sorry, minor 6, and then your 7. Then to your 6. So you have 6 on your left. You do your 1 major 7. So ba 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 ba. So brother, 5. I'm sure you can just see this. 1, 4. All right. So let's go. Let's go. One more time. So let's go. Okay. 7, 3. Yeah. 5, 1, 5. So you can do something. So you do this if there's a baby. Yeah. Yeah, 5, 1, 4. Yeah. So that's just it. Yeah, so that's it. So don't forget, you can always you can always do a kind of melody, just fixing a melody around that. So just instead of just eating your chord as a blocker, you can look for a melody. So Yeah, so that's. God bless you.